Introducing the Pride PX4 mobility scooter from Pride Mobility. Your Pride PX4 will arrive in 2 cardboard containers, one large and one small. Carefully open the large container. The front basket will be in a smaller box, and in the basket will be the battery charger, the owner's manual, and 2 smaller white boxes. Remove the basket. From there, you'll want to remove the outside cardboard to reveal the unit sitting on a wooden pallet. Remove the plastic wrapping from the PX4. The unit will be secured by several buckle straps. There should be 3 altogether, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. Undo each strap, and once you have, set this yellow lever to be in freewheel mode. From there, you'll be able to push the unit off the pallet. For the smaller container, use a box cutter knife to cut the tape and open the container. There are several contents inside, including the seat. Altogether, your PX4 will come with the following items you see here, including mirrors, armrests, and the seat back. You'll see 2 plastic screws on opposite sides of the underseat shrouding that protects the batteries. Unscrew these and remove the shrouding. The unit contains 2 12-volt 75 amp-hour batteries. They will be disconnected. Connect them to ensure the unit will power on correctly. Then put the shrouding back on and use the 2 screws to secure it tightly. The steering tiller will be folded down toward the seat. Hold this lever to the left to bring the tiller to its upright position, then release the lever. Then place the seat on the seat post, making sure it goes on straight. Listen for the seat to snap into place. The seatbelt will be located behind the seat. Remove the protective covering and zip tie with a box cutter knife. Unfold the belt and bring it around to the front of the seat. Now you'll want to put on the armrests. To do this on either side, remove the linchpin on the bar behind the seat and insert the lower armrest to desired width. Reinsert the linchpin and tighten with a 4mm Allen wrench that is provided. Now insert the armrest and fold it down. Take the Allen wrench and tighten at desired height. The armrest is now in place and can move up and down. Repeat that process for the opposite side. Located on the front of the tiller is the bracket to mount the 2 standard mirrors and basket. Remove each mirror from their white boxes and take off the bubble wrap. You'll want to screw the mirrors on and secure them tightly. You'll then be able to adjust the angle of the mirrors. To secure the front basket, simply hook it over the plate. In the bag that contains the owner's manual, you'll find 2 identical key fobs to help you start the unit. To do so, find the round silver button on the tiller facing the driver. Press it in and a red light will appear. Quickly take the key fob and locate the Pride logo on the side of the tiller. Tap the fob against the logo and an audio cue will indicate the scooter is now in drive mode. This is indicated on the LCD console by a wrench symbol in the top left. Remove the protective cover on the supplemental brake, and your PX4 is now fully assembled and ready to drive. The PX4 comes with pneumatic front and rear tires and is equipped with full suspension. The steering tiller contains buttons that are water resistant and a full LED lighting package that includes turn signals, hazard lights, brake lights, and headlights. You can drive the unit using these throttles. Pulling down on the right one will move the scooter forward, while the left one will reverse it. Use the lever here to adjust the angle of the tiller to your liking. There's an XLR port on the tiller as well as a USB port. To adjust the depth of the seat, pull up on the lever under the left side of the seat and slide forward and backward to discover your optimal driving position. To swivel the seat, pull up on the lever under the right side of the seat. This circular lever on the right side of the seat will adjust its position so you can be more leaned back or forward depending on your preference. The Pride PX4 offers more room to breathe and is our most feature-rich scooter yet, designed to enhance your outdoor adventures.